Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a text box in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then create your document or open your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I add a text box in this document. At first I have to select a text tool. You can see here are text tool option, type tool or text tool. Now you can see I select this text tool. Now click on your mouse left button and drag on it. Now you can see I draw a text box. Now write anything to your text box. Now click this move to selection tool and click outside of this page. Now you can see I add a text box in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.